This is serious, how the fate of 3 drivers bring them to this spot for an accident. An undertaking can have major consequences by putting many lives at risk. One stopping car is not a guarantee that cars behind will stop as well. Entering a junction at such a high speed is beyond understanding. Entered the main road and stopped to crash requires serious talent. How someone cannot see a big truck coming. Your body follows your face naturally. This is very, very important to be considered. No one in the world can hit a parked car on the side of the road, except in dreams. This is an example of tiredness can kill. Seems like drunk driving, hitting the truck for no reason. You need brakes. Confusion causes crashes. Better to press brake than sharp moves. Blind move by the truck driver on a slippery road. A single mistake can affect many others on the road. Stopping for no reason is also a blunder. Changing lanes without signals is simply unacceptable. When you think you are untouchable, no words. This is a major stunt. Salute to the driver, is all I can say here. If it was a planned trap or blunder, expect anything when you are on the road. Some accidents just happen. Hard to blame anyone. Handbrakes are often forgotten, should be applied before you get the key out. Old cars do not have good road grip. It's better not to play around.
Please like, share, subscribe and comment how these collisions could have been avoided. Together we can raise road awareness and save lives.